Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you love the charm of rustic style, but also crave the sleekness of modern design, then today's video is for you. We're exploring the best ideas to create a modern rustic house design that blends comfort with sophistication. Let's dive in. The magic of modern rustic design lies in balance. Combine natural, raw materials like wood and stone with modern, clean lines and neutral colors to create a harmonious blend of old and new. Modern rustic homes often emphasize open spaces and natural light. Large windows, open floor plans, and seamless indoor-outdoor connections make the space feel airy and welcoming. Natural materials are a hallmark of rustic design. Opt for reclaimed wood, stone accents, and metal details to bring a sense of authenticity and warmth to your home. Stick to a neutral and earthy color palette to tie the modern and rustic elements together. Think shades of beige, gray, brown, and white, with occasional pops of black for contrast. Select rustic-inspired furniture with modern touches, like a wooden dining table with sleek metal legs, or a leather sofa paired with a geometric rug. Lighting can transform your space. Go for industrial-style pendant lights, modern chandeliers, or rustic lanterns to complete the look. Add cozy layers with textured fabrics like chunky knit throws, linen cushions, and wool rugs. These small details enhance the warmth of the space. Don't forget to extend the modern rustic theme to your outdoor spaces. Use natural wood furniture, stone fire pits, and soft lighting to create a serene retreat. And there you have it, everything you need to know about creating the perfect modern rustic home. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.